Hi students, in today's section we discuss about the digital electronics and logic gates. Okay, so first of all, we would like to know about what are analog circuits. Okay, for that first you must be know about what is analog signal. Analog signal is nothing but if current or voltage varies with time continuously, then those signals are called as the analog signals. That means with respect to time, voltage or current are continuously varies. So if you observe anywhere this type of the signals, those signals are called as analog signals. Understand? In amplifier and oscillator, these type of waves are generally called as electromagnetic waves now. So radio, television, okay, all are make use of these analog signals. Understand? Now coming to the digital circuits. So to understand the digital circuits, let us know about first digital signal. A digital signal in which the voltage or current varies with the time can have only two values. Okay, those two values are 0 comma 1. Okay, 0 comma 1 are, we know that those are the binary numbers. Okay, in digital signal we have only the binary numbers 0 and 1 only, no 2 3 4 like that, only 0 and 1. Understand now? So when the voltage is 0 and the voltage is 5 volt only, we consider here at 0 volt a signal of 0 volt which represents the binary number 0. Okay, a signal with 5 volt represents the binary number 1. So here 0 and here 1, like that. 0 1 0 1. So in this way the digital signals are always present, which are the voltage or current varies with the time. Understand? So in a digital signal output what we have 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 like that. Is it clear? So are you observe anywhere these type of digital signals? Yes, calculators, digital watches, burglar alarms. Particularly in present we are using the computers, robots, okay, multimeters. Everywhere we are observing only the digital signals. The digital signals means the variation of voltage or current with time has only two types of pulses, whether it is 0 or 1. Okay, they are completely based on the binary number system 0 and 1. Understand? So the circuits which processes the analog signals are called as analog circuits. The circuit which processes digital signals are called as digital circuits. The circuits, electric circuits which processes analog signals is called as analog circuits. Circuits which processes digital signals are called as digital circuits. Okay, out of these two, generally which one is best? Digital circuits are the best. Why? Because the results which are came from the digital signal are more fast, accurate and reliable when compared with the analog signals or analog circuits. Understand? That's why our chapter name was digital electronics. So in the entire portion of this digital electronics, we just everywhere observe this type of the pulses. Those are called digital signals. Understand? One more time, please keep in mind 0 volt represents the binary number 0 and plus 5 volts always represents the binary number 1. Clear? Note it down. Now, logic gates. Logic gates are nothing but the electrical circuit which performs a particular logical function. What are logical gates? Logic gates nothing but electric circuit which performs a particular logical function. Okay, every logic gate has more number of inputs, but it shows only one output. Has more number of inputs, but shows only one output. Generally, the inputs are denoted by the letters A, B, C, so on. Output is generally represented by X or Y. Okay, I am using Y here and inputs are taken as A and B. Okay, so two input logic gates only we discuss here. If you take more than two also, there is no issue. Okay, but at any given instant of time, every terminal may be either input or output is one of the two binary conditions 1 or 0. Understand? At any instant of time, every terminal is in one of the two binary conditions 1 or 0. What is the meaning of 1? Depending on the situation, you can take 1 as high, true, yes, okay, on, like this. What is the meaning of the 0? 0 means it is high now, that's why it is low. True means here false. Yes means here no. On, nothing but off. So depending on the situation, one may be think as high or it shows true or yes or on, any one of these. 0 means low or false or no or off. Are you understand? In this way you must remember. And now only we said in the digital signals where 1 is represents the plus 5 volt and 0 represents the 0 volt. In terms of voltage, you must remember these values also. Understand now? So, what is a logic gate? Logic gate nothing but an electronic circuit which performs a particular logical function. Entire logic gates explanation, we have only two numbers. One is 1, another one is 0. 1 indicates any one of these 5 and 0 indicates any one of these. Clear? Now, depends upon the logical function performed by the logic gate. Logic gates are generally classified as OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate. Okay, these are the basic gates. Generally, gate is represented with the capital letters. That's why you should write OR with the capital letters only. So, OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate. Understand? By using those fundamental gates, we can get some more gates like NAND gate, NOR gate, exclusive OR gate or XOR gate. Okay, so in this portions we are discussing about all types of these gates. Okay, OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate, NAND, NOR and XOR gate. Understand? In today's section we discuss about only OR gate. Okay, so the first gate is OR gate. Okay, here I followed some points here. The first one I would like to say what is the symbol for the OR gate, and I would like to draw one truth table. Okay, and I construction of OR gate by using the switches or diodes, gates or with switches or diodes or transistors. Understand? Finally, we may discuss about the timing diagram. Okay, for every gate we follow this line. The first one is symbol, second one is truth table, third one is construction of the gate by using the switches, diodes or transistors, and finally about the timing diagram. Clear? So first of all, what is an OR gate? Okay, OR gate is always performs logical addition. We know addition now, but here OR gate performs a logical addition. Okay, the symbol for OR gate is, for two input OR gate, symbol is like this. Okay, keep in mind this is represents the OR gate. How many inputs are there? Two inputs. So here there are two terminals attached here. Okay, I said now only inputs are generally represented by A, B, C like that. But I consider only two input OR gate now. That's why it has only inputs A and B. And output is represented by Y, and Y is nothing but what are the inputs you take? A and B now. So Y is A plus B, because OR gate performs the logical addition now. That's why you may write an as A plus B, but you may spell as A or B. Understand? Sir, if suppose we have n input OR gate, okay, for n input OR gate, this is OR gate symbol now. I said you may take any number of inputs, there is no issue, but output is always only one. Understand? So here I take A, B, C, so on up to n, but output is always Y is A plus B plus C and so on plus n. So we may take two or more inputs, but we have only one output. Clear? So this is the symbol for the OR gate. Okay. Now, truth table. Truth table is nothing but we draw a table which gives the relation between the inputs and output. Okay. So generally we can take all possibilities of input and we observe what is output. Okay, how many number of possibilities are there? I said the entire logic gates explanation is based on only binary numbers 0 and 1. By using this 0 and 1, how many number of possibilities are there? Number of possibilities are generally 2 power n. Generally 2 power n possibilities there. Okay, our explanation is restricted only for two input OR gate. That's why how many number of inputs is here? 2. So instead of n, if you write the 2, then 2 square is equal to 4. So how many possibilities is there? We have only 4 possibilities. What are the 4 possibilities? See, A may be 0, B also 0. A is 0, B may be 1. A is 1, B may be 0. A is 1, B also 1. Any other possibility? You may try. Not possible. So for two input OR gate, we have only 4 possibilities. For all possibilities, let us see what happens to the output. Just output is nothing but logical addition. Na? So 0 plus 0, we know 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 2 is not possible. Why? Because all are only the binary numbers now. 0 or 1 only possible now. Here 1 plus 1 is always 1. Understand? So what is the meaning of 0? Here I would like to taken as low. 1 is taken as high. Okay. Now observe the truth table. See here. 0 0 answer is 0. 0 1 1. 1 0 1. 1 1 1. So, can you give two statements by using this truth table for OR gate? Okay, what are the statements? Properly see. The first statement is any one input is high out of A and B. Any one input is high. High means 1. Output is high. Right now? So what is the first statement? Any one input is high, then output is high. Check. Right now. Another one. If all inputs are low, low means 0, then only output is low. If both inputs are 0, then only output is 0 coming now. That's why if all inputs are low, then only output is low. If any one input is high, then output is high. Are you understand? Those two statements coming from the truth table. For example, in examination, they ask inputs are 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 5 inputs I took. What is the output? All inputs are low. Output is low. So my answer is 0. Your answer is over. For suppose the inputs are taken like this 0, 1, 0, 0. Inputs are 0, 1, 0, 0. What is the output? Output is, see, any one input is high. Any one input is high. Output is 1 now. So my answer is 1. Very simple. You understand? If all inputs are low, then only output is low, or any one input is high, output is high. Okay, it is not restricted for only 2. You may take 5, 10, whatever may be. My answer may be binary numbers 0 or 1. You understand? So this is the truth table for OR gate. Please note it down. So let us see the construction of OR gate by using the switches. For that, see this one. Here I am considering two switches S1 and S2. Okay, both are connected in parallel. And here I considered one bulb. Okay, across the bulb I take the output. Understand? And I connected a battery whose potential is V. Understand? So here inputs are A and B. Output is always taken across the bulb. Clear? I follow one rule. What is the rule? Means when switch is open, what is the meaning of switch open? Open means off mode. Okay, when switch is open, that is off mode, that shows binary number 0. If switch is closed, switch is closed, then it is called as on mode, which shows the binary number 1. Understand? So simple way, switch close on, switch open half. Okay, what about bulb? If bulb will glow, shows 1. Bulb will not glow, shows 0. Understand? So these are the basics required for understanding the OR gate by using the switch. Clear? So what is the first possibility? A is 0, B is 0. Can you say what is the meaning? A0, B0 means both switches are in off mode. So here S1 is half mode, S2 is also half. So for current is not passes through both switches because both are in off state now. Circuit is not completed. When circuit is not completed, bulb will not glow. Bulb will not glow means it shows 0 now. So my output Y is equal to 0 here. Understand? When both switches are open, circuit is not completed, it is called as open circuit, bulb will not glow, output is 0. Clear? What is the second possibility? A is 0, B is 1. Meaning A is 0, switch S1 is open, but switch S2 is closed now. S2 here closed. Whenever S2 closed, see, now the circuit is completed. Okay, it follows this path. Current follows this path now. So circuit is completed or not? Completed. When circuit is completed, bulb will glow. Bulb will glow indicates Y is equal to 1 now. So it shows output. Clear? Next, what is the third possibility? A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0. A is equal to 1 means switch S1 is closed, S2 is open now. S1 closed means this is closed, S2 open. Now see the propagation of the current here. Circuit is closed or not? Yes, when circuit is closed, bulb will glow, Y is equal to 1. Clear? Next, the last possibility is A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1. When both are 1s indicates that both switches are closed. When both switches are closed, then current may follow any path and it becomes a closed circuit. Whenever it becomes a closed circuit, bulb will again glow. Bulb will again glow means output is 1. Understand? So all 4 possibilities you understand? See, when A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, bulb will not glow, so Y is 0. A is 0, B is 1, bulb will glow, Y is 1. If A is 1, B is 0, bulb will glow, that's why Y is 1. If A is 1, B is 1, bulb will glow again, that's why Y is equal to 1. Okay, in truth table 1 plus 1 you written as 1 now because of this one. Clear? So this is about construction of OR gate by using switches. Clear? Please note it down. Now, construction of OR gate by using diodes. For examination point of view, this is very very important. Listen very carefully. Here, OR gate is constructed by using two diodes. One is D1, another one is D2. We know the symbol for diode now. Okay. Here, we take one resistor R and across the resistor, we can take the output Y. Understand? Here the most important thing was when diode is in forward bias. Okay, we know meaning of forward bias. Forward bias means the anode of diode is always maintained at higher potential. Anode of diode at higher potential. Okay, when diode is in forward bias, then only it will conduct. When diode is in forward bias means anode of diode at higher potential, then only it will conduct. Please keep this point. And second, grounding. The meaning of grounding means potential is 0 because the potential of the earth is 0 now. That's why 0 volt where you observe that indicates binary number 0. If you apply plus 5 volts, then it indicates the binary number 1. Understand now? So, first of all, let us see when A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0 means this terminal is connected to the ground. This terminal is also connected to the ground. Ground means 0 volt I said na. So here also it is 0 volt. So whenever you connected to the ground, anodes of both diodes are not in forward bias. Okay, they are not at higher potential. Okay, they are grounded directly now. So they are not at higher potential. Means those two are open circuit. Whenever they are open circuit, across the resistor R, we didn't get any output. So output is a 0. Please listen carefully. A is 0, B is 0 means both terminals, these terminals are connected to the earthing. When they are connected to the earthing, diodes D1 and D2 are not in forward bias. Means they behave as a open parts. Whenever they behave as open part, we didn't get any output. Understand? Second one, A is 0 means here it is connected to again ground. B is 1. B is 1 means here it is connected to a battery. Okay. Here what is the voltage? Plus 5 volt. Negative is connected to again earthing. So whenever you connected a 5 volt, so here it is 5 volt. Anode here now, the anode is now at higher potential or not? When anode of diode at higher potential, now diode will conduct. Diode will conduct means it will be conduct the potential. Now see voltage across the resistor. This Y is now directly connected to the plus 5 volt now. See, this is the path. Okay, so Y shows plus 5 volt. Plus 5 volt, which means it is the logic number 1. So A0, B0, then Y is also 1. Now third one, A is 1, B is 0. A is 1, B is 0. What is the meaning? A is 1 means it is connected to the plus 5 volt battery. B is 0 means this is connected to the earthing. Whenever it is connected to the plus 5 volt, now diode D1 terminal is connected to plus 5 volt. Anode of diode is at higher potential. This is anode now. Now it is at higher potential, means it conducts. It will conduct means it will be like this. Understand? So this is Y now. Now let us see the Y. Directly connected to the plus 5 volt or not? So Y shows voltage of 5 volt. That indicates logic number 1. Clear? Now the last one, A is 1, B is 1. A is 1, B is 1 means A is at plus 5 volt. B is also at plus 5 volt. Okay. Now it is at 5 volt, it is also at 5 volt, meaning both diodes are in forward bias. So it will conduct, it will also conduct, means the output is now taken any one of these inputs. Okay, that means again Y is at plus 5 volt, means the logic number 1. See, when A is 0, B is 0, we got Y is 0. A is 0, B is 1, Y is 1. A is 1, B is 0, Y is 1. A1, B1, Y is again 1. So it satisfies the truth table or not? Understand? So here the most important thing is, when diode is in forward bias, diode anode is always at higher potential, it will conduct. You understand? So this is the construction of OR gate by using the diodes. Please note it down. Now the last one is timing diagram. Okay, so what is a timing diagram? It gives the input and output waveforms. Okay, in terms of the waves, we said at the digital signal now 0 1 0 1 like that, it always shows in the form of the wave pulses. Okay, so first of all, at time cycle t1, A is 0, B is 0. So A is 0 volt, B is also at 0 volt. Okay, at a time cycle t2, A is 0, B is 1. A 0, okay, but B is 1. So it is the pulse having level 1. Clear or not? Next, at time cycle t3, A is 1, B is 0. At time cycle t3, A is 1, but B is 0. And at time cycle t4, A is 1, B is 1. So A is 1 here, B is again 1 here. Or understand? In this way, we can represent the input waveforms in terms of the digital pulses. Okay, initially I said 0 means 0 volt, 1 means plus 5 volt. Do you remember? So please keep these points. Now let us see what happens to the output. The output is, when 0 and 0 if you take as inputs, output is 0. So output is 0. Understand? If 0 and 1, output is 1. 0 and 1, output is 1. 1 0, output is 1. 1 0, output is 1. 1 1, output is 1. So output is 1. So if the output, if you observe in this way, anywhere 1 0, output is 1. 1 1, output is 1 if you got, then it represents the OR gate. Okay, so these two are the input wave pulses and it is the output wave pulse. Or understand? This is the timing diagram. And all four inputs are not possible to take at one time, because at a particular time t1 cycle we have only these two inputs and we get the output. Clear or not? So this is about the OR gate. I explain slowly OR gate, AND gate and NOT gate. Why? Because of these are the fundamental gates and you are new to the gates. That's why I explain slowly. Okay, is it clear? So what is OR gate? OR gate is nothing but it performs a particular logical function called addition. Okay, and secondly, from this truth table I observe only one point. If any input is high, output is high. If all inputs are low, then output is low. That is the only the important thing, and please always keep in mind about the logic symbol of the OR gate. Clear? Thank you.